Namaste friends, I am Vikas Bhardwaj, your friend on Ansarkari with Ansarkari. A warm welcome. Today we are going to have certain idea and understanding of Wetlands International. It's an important concept and you can say it's an important organization with respect to not only environment but also climate change plus diversity. So it is not linked with environment only. Our idea is to have a basic but holistic view. So what it is? Wetland International is the only, ध्यान रखिएगा, only global not for profit organization. Only एकमात्र है अपने प्रकार की जो कि सृष्टि को बचाने में लगी हुई है, अगर हम जनरल बात में कहें. Because it is dedicated to the conservation and restoration of wetlands. होते क्या हैं wetlands? कहने को they are like lakes, लेकिन they are not lakes because there are many important criteria by which we define wetlands. बस आप इतना जान लीजिए, they are very important ecosystem. लेकिन वेटलैंड इंटरनेशनल का विजन क्या है कि एक ऐसी दुनिया हो जहां पर वेटलैंड ट्रेजर्ड किए जाएं, नर्चर किए जाएं और वो rejuvenating or recycle life का पार्ट हो. Head office is in Netherlands and was founded in 1937. That is before India's independence. So क्या है वेटलैंड? अक्सर उन्हें पीस ऑफ वेस्टलैंड भी कहा जा सकता है क्योंकि जो लैंड है वो मार्शी होगा, जो लैंड है वो दलदला हो सकता है, तराई रीजन हो सकता है, द लैंड विल बी ओकेजनली फ्लडेड हो सकता है, इट विल बी ड्रेनिंग विद वाटर एंड ऑल्सो हाई इन न्यूट्रिशन हो सकता है. बट अफसोस की बात यह है कि समय के साथ बहुत सारे वेटलैंड्स खत्म हो गए because they have been converted for development and other uses. That is why with time wetlands have been actually going down, but then we have to protect them, we have to count them. It is linked with fresh water, it is linked with people's livelihood. That is what we are trying to say. And definitely food security भी एक important element है. So जैसा मैंने कहा कि होते क्या है जहां पर पानी लैंड से मिलता है, यानी मैंग्रोव्स, pitlands, marshes, rivers and lakes, deltas, floodplains, flooded forests, rice fields. इंडिया के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में मोर देन 70% वेटलैंड्स में राइस कल्टीवेशन होता है. अच्छी बात भी है, इट्स अ हैप्पी पॉइंट ऑल्सो, दैट्स व्हाट वी कैन से. और इंडिया की अगर बात करें, कैन यू गेस हाउ मेनी वेटलैंड्स इन जनरल may have been there or are there in India? There are more than 27,000 wetlands in India. And उसमें से भी more than 23,000 they are inland wetland and rest are in the coastal areas. So आप कह सकते हैं कि a large part of India's area, more than 18% area is under wetlands. हर जगह पाए जाएंगे, हर क्लाइमेट जोन में मिलेंगे, वर्ल्ड के हर हिस्से में मिलेंगे, फ्रॉम ट्रॉपिक्स टू पोलर्स टू हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड टू ड्राई रीजन्स. सच इज देयर उबिक्विशियस प्रेजेंस. हर जगह ये मिलते हैं और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं. तो आप क्या कहेंगे? हम कहेंगे कि वेटलैंड्स आर ऑफन द इंजन्स ऑफ लोकल इकोनॉमीज. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग इंटरैक्शन विद नेचर. They are providing livelihood options, not only for food, but cultivation and also extraction of resources. लेकिन over extraction is a problem. Whether it is fish or something other. That is why there must be certain kind of control. There must be certain kind of, what I should say, documentation. There must be certain kind of instrumentalization. Then only it is possible कि wetland जो है वो poverty और inequity को और जल्दी reduce करने में help करेंगे. यानी कि water logged soil, एक ऐसी soil जो कि पानी से घिरी हुई है, पानी में डूबी हुई है. Because future demands clean water, and it is growing because our rate of population is also increasing, not only in India but we are talking about the whole world. So there is going to be competition for resources. India itself is working in the path of renewable energy, so wetlands becomes a facilitator for the same. So water sharing and restoring becomes very very important. यानी चाहे वो लेगून हो, चाहे एस्चुरीज हो, चाहे फिर as I just said mangroves हो, और चाहे swamps हो. These are all very key phrases. I repeat, lagoon ho, estuaries ho, mangroves ho, swamps ho, they all are linked with protection, preservation and also sustenance of wetlands. तो इसीलिए we have to adjust our practices, progressive agriculture practices, incorporating wetlands in agricultural landscapes. Long term food security और biodiversity के हमें सोचना पड़ेगा. We have to be inclusive in nature, and that is why we have to promote organic farming, nature farming, or what we call zero budget farming. And then most importantly, 90% disasters, if we say they are water related, so we have to reverse the trend. And the impact of natural and man-made disasters is huge. That is why mitigation is the only way. Most importantly, when we talk about fighting climate change, then in that context also, wetlands are carbon storage mechanisms, one of the largest carbon storage mechanisms. Their capacity to not only withhold but also to rejuvenate and recycle is amazing. That is why in terms of diversity and in terms of even recreational activities, somewhere in some way they are unique, and that is why they must be protected under all circumstances. यानी कि कैसे काम हो सकता है, वेटलैंड इंटरनेशनल क्या करता है? वेटलैंड इंटरनेशनल इन सभी बातों को जिनकी हमने बात की उनको कनेक्ट करता है, टेक्निकल नॉलेज से, पॉलिसी से, डायलॉग से, प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट से, क्रिटिकल वेज में वोकेशनल एंड ऑल्सो ग्रास रूट लेवल प्रैक्टिसेस को इट विल प्रमोट, सो दैट things become mindful and things become great. So in India there is Bombay Natural History Society. Kindly cross check, one of the most important organizations in India. It is linked with Wetland International. Even Asian bird census or water bird census, that what we say, Asian bird census is also linked with Wetland International. कहने को तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. There is a program which is called National conservation program for wetlands, that is also linked with this process. Most importantly, Wetland International will connect, it will improve the knowledge base, it will improve the skills, it will create a database, it will make sure that things are moving in the direction in which this very pristine and important heritage of earth is preserved under all circumstances. क्योंकि in case of wetlands we say that waterlogged soil adapt कर लेती है, and most importantly plant life, क्योंकि जिस तरह की vegetation होगी that will be, you can say, is hydric soil. That means उस मिट्टी में ऑक्सीजन की कमी रहेगी. But on the other hand, high on nutrient side, and you can say the plants will be such that they will be larger in size. लेकिन एक तरफ हमें ये भी देखना होगा कि इन wetlands में such species which are going to invasive species, that what we say, they must be stopped under all circumstances. इन्हीं सब बातों को काम करने के लिए ल्यूक हॉफमैन मेडल दिया जाता है every 3 years, every trinium to honor डॉक्टर लुक हॉफमैन, जो कि एक इंस्पिरेशनल और फार साइटेड फाउंडर थे. जो भी मैंने बातें बहुत ब्रीफ में बताने की कोशिश की, डॉक्टर लुक हॉफमैन sir have always focused on these ideas in number of ways. So let's see a question with reference to conservation to a conservation organization called Veteran International, which the following statement is correct. It is an intergovernmental organization formed by the countries which are signatories to Ramsar Convention. तो जैसा कि हमने शुरू में पढ़ा, if we recap, then it is not for profit organization. The first statement is wrong. It works at the field level to develop, mobilize knowledge and use the practical experience to advocate for better policies. This statement is correct. यानी काम करती है. मैं जल्दी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, आपको ध्यान से पढ़ने की जरूरत है. आप रोक कर ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे, इंटेंसली इंगेज करेंगे, नेचुरली आपका लेवल भी उठता जाएगा. सक्सेस इज नॉट फार अवे, इट इज ओनली मैटर ऑफ योर ओन चॉइस when you want to get success. So only statement 2 is correct, and that is what we can say. Thank you very much, because next time we are going to take up some other elements of wetland in some other way, which will be very much relevant for your examination and success, because one small point of information in a logical way at one point of time is going to create a huge repository and database for your success. Rome was not built in a day. So success should not be delayed, but due diligence and work must be done. Thank you very much. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.